Hey everyone, my name is Ansley with TBP Converting. Today we're going to be talking about temporary protection for anodized metal. Temporary protection film for anodized aluminum is one of the best insurances you can have for your project. As the process to anodize metal requires electroplating and a lot of time, repairing it can be a pain and costly. Nitto 224 is a proven product with over 20 years of protecting anodized aluminum and steel. This protection film offers up to 12 months of UV stability, excellent adhesion, and is highly conformable to uneven surfaces. This is especially important when installing storefront exteriors, ensuring you keep your metal safe throughout your project. Commonly called BlueMaxx, this product is widely tested and used and is readily available in custom widths from TBP. For more information on this product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.